Oh, hey guys, it's Gigi. Time to crash. What? Time to crash the gore.
Gagatondra.
Welcome to my home. I wanted to start this new little series where I show you guys certain rooms of my home at a time, and I am very proud of the way that we've decorated, and I love seeing how people decorate their homes. I think it's like so interesting, and if you guys pick up one little bit of inspo, then I think that this did the trick. So let me know if you guys are into these kind of videos. But I think I want to show you the powder room. So let's get into it. Okay, so we just redid our powder room. This is literally how you know you're married, if you get excited about a f***ing bathroom. Oh, actually, first and foremost, welcome to my garden. Nat's and I's 5th anniversary just passed, and he got me 5,000 roses. I don't want them to die. It's so sad that roses only last so long, but if this had smell vision, just imagine.
Okay, and what do you want me to do about that?
Come with me. Oh, we got a little Punk Me Tender here. It says Love Me Tender. This is our artist friend, Punk Me Tender. This is like all rainbow and gorgeous, and he gifted this to Nat and I when we got married, I think.
No, before. The gift was the one in your office.
Oh, tea, which you guys already saw in the video. So come with me to the shitter.
Your favorite.
Yes. My number one thing in here was that it had to be like dark vibes. Like I'm all about the black walls, the really like cozy vibe. So I feel like I really wanted this for this room, and I think we achieved it. And all of the lighting is really warm and really gorgeous. It just makes you look like warm and toasty, and I'm just obsessed. All of the lighting is Restoration Hardware. This black toilet, so you can't really see how much you're blowing up the toilet, I guess. The walls are all of our friends. This is every single person's most scandalous photo. So I wanted to give all of our friends a theme. Everybody who's ever been over, give us a scandalous photo of you in the bathroom. Whether you're naked, whether it's with someone else, whether you're up, I don't know. Just give it to us and I'll have it framed. And we kind of have this like very like arts delicatessen New York City vibe. When like celebs come in, they like print it and they sign it. Everyone has signed the back of their photo, and I think it's really cool. Next, this wallpaper. It's basically like clouds, but if you get really close, it's like little lines. And I thought that that was really cool. And it also is on the ceiling, so you really just feel like enclosed in this vibe. And, oh, hi sir. Do you wanna come in? He's like, this isn't MTV Cribs, this.
This is his bathroom.
Oh, and this is my sister and I in Milan at a Vogue party, and we were like, we need to use the restroom, and we thought we were gonna be like glam, but porta potties, which was awesome. So if you are on the toilet and you are taking a long time, we have 2 books here, 2 of my favorites. This is I Would Leave Me If I Could. And this is an exclusive cover, only available at Target. And this one is High Gloss from Vidget. He does so many dope, I've talked about this book before, but he does so many dope photo shoots, and if you're ever just bored, which is why I have it by the toilet, you just pick it up and look and find your new favorite pick. So I think that's all. Come on, next room. Oh, also this art is like canvas, and it looks like really chaotic and cool to me. I just thought that it was cool out here if anyone is like stumbling from the bathroom or stumbling to the bathroom, they could look at this and like be like, whoa. I see something different every single time I look at it, which I feel like is cool. Okay, so let's talk about these skateboards. Nat's had like a bunch of cool ones, like this one, Beverly Hills Hotel, like we need to put that out somewhere. And then like this one, Dior. This one he made, this one was made for him. Just like a bunch of cool ones that I thought would look dope on the stairwell, right? Nat's at Coachella with wings. Someone took a photo of him and then made it art. Another Dior. Just like fun stuff. Like I have no intention to skateboard ever in my life, but you do what you gotta do with what you're given. This chandelier is so major. It's just so pretty. And there's like a skylight above it, so we get like tons of light and it looks so pretty in the day. It's just like, it's definitely like a good morning if you need to wake up. And then this huge pill from Root as well. We're like art collectors, but we're like beginning art collectors. So we're like not there yet, but this is loneliness and it's one big ass pill. If you look in, this one huge pill, 600 milligrams.
Perfect.
And it's weird because it's actually on the date where Nats and I got married, 7/12. We bought it before we got married. It's just a huge coincidence. And we thought that was really weird. Every time I pass it, I'm like, what the f? Also, I always get questions about our sharks. Like this shark, that shark down there. Everyone's always like, are you obsessed with sharks? No, it's another thing just like the skateboards. It's just dope art. This is from Michael Muller. He shot all these sharks and then makes art out of it. And it just like, look how beautiful this is. I've taken so many like Instagram photos against this. My mother-in-law, Ari, was the inspo behind these. She actually gifted us these and they just fill the hallways with so much life and it just looks so pretty. So let's move on. Okay, so where to next? Should we do like the little game room? Mm-hmm. Okay. Love that saxophone. We used to play in here like a lot, but we like don't anymore. This is really exciting. I got this, it's like this old school arcade game, that it's like a racing game, obviously, hence the wheels. And it's like vintage, like one of them is like broken, but we were shopping for gifts and I was like, this fits perfectly in this little nook. So I was like, it's a sign, I have to get it. And yeah, this is where it lives now. It's in our little game room.
Yeah, one of the coolest birthday presents I ever got.
Yes.
Yes.
Little foosball, if you're into that.
Basically, this whole room was like a birthday present to me. Straight
Yeah.
Trigger warning.
I thought it was fun. I like the beat. So, yeah.
My friend Mark got us this. It's like this wax artist who does it, and like in summer it gets really hot in here because of the sun, so like we started melting.
No, Gigi.
No, I think there was actually
No,
like
the candle exploded.
And then Nats' brand, Strike Oil, that was a Valentine's Day present. A little neon sign that like blinks, but it like shouldn't. I guess it's kind of cool because it's like a deserted town. I picture like Disney cars, like in the middle of nowhere, like. This I got Nats for Christmas, just in case anyone tries us. It's really heavy. It's from Chrome Hearts. Like, listen.
No.
Like that would, oh yeah, sorry. Like that would beat someone up. Okay, I think that's all, right? For this little bit? Mm-hmm. Okay, so that was the first part of my house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys like these kind of videos, and I'll definitely keep it coming. Definitely be sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below what you want to see in the future for future videos. And make sure to hit that little bell button so you get notified when I upload again. Until I see you guys next time, stay gorgeous.